Okay, let's begin. We have a function, backward string. It takes text and it returns a string, the backward string. Right, so this variable will work as an aggregator of the letters, of the backward letters, right? Then you've decided to use the while loop. But why do we need the while loop here? Right, but what do we want to repeat? So let's suppose our word will be, I don't know, word. So initially you want to take the last letter first, but then in the next iteration it's going to be the next letter, then the next one, and then the next one. Indeed, we have to repeat something for that. We have I equals 0. Do you remember why do we need it? This accumulator will accumulate the letters, but in the reversed order. What's the result of this operation? Yeah, it's going to be the first letter, correct. Well, text 1 will be the second letter. How about text -1? Right, it's just the last letter. What letter do we need to start from if it's a backward string? The last one. How can we take the last one? What index should we specify? -1, yeah. So I probably should be -1. I equals I -1. How about that? We want to override I. We want to make it smaller by 1. Okay, so now I just need to repeat this line. And probably I need to repeat this line. The initial value always assigned 1, so we actually need to move it from the while loop. It should be in the very beginning, before the while loop continues. Exactly. So I can just remove the repeat. Now we have to think about this condition. Usually after the while, we have some logical expression, which is either true or false. While I is what? Smaller or equals to len what? We call it text here in this context. Okay. I mean, no, it's almost correct. We just need to fix some small logical mistakes. Negative len of the text. That's interesting. Well, actually, let's run backward string on some particular text word. It actually doesn't show me anything. We have to return from the backward string. Okay, backward text. But look, now I run it and it still doesn't print anything. Print whatever backward string is returned. And let's try it now. Well, now the output is different. But unfortunately, well, at least we have something. It was printed, but this something was just an empty string, I guess, because no letters were shown. Let's think about this condition again. Greater or equals to, let's try this, and now it works. Yeah, we've made it. Okay, let's try a new one.